Hey, what's up, YouTube? I am Henry Vernon. I am here at the Florida DMV. I'm about to run you through the actual driving test again, because again, people are really interested in the driving test videos. So I tend to make mostly driving test videos. If you want me to make any other video, someone asked me yesterday to make parking videos, but I have so many parking videos on the channel. There's a video called How to Park Perfectly Every Time, part 1, part 2. I have maybe 3 or 4 parking videos on the channel. So before you request a video, could you please check the channel to make sure the video is not presently on the channel, because I have 538 videos and a lot of them are actually there if you just search the channel. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to ask you guys to subscribe to my other YouTube channels. That would be ACC Driving School, this channel that we're on now. Sequence Sound is my second channel. If you're into music, reggae, dancehall, sound system, that would be the channel. If you like cars, if you're a car enthusiast, then check out Exotic Car Culture. Alright, I have the 4, the 8, the 12-hour traffic ticket class on the website, accdriverseducation.com. I have the first time driver 4-hour class that you would take before you do your learner's permit. That is also on the channel. And if you want to do a third-party test, so you try to get an appointment at the DMV and you're having no such luck, or you have to wait 2 or 3 months to get an appointment, you can call me up to get an appointment at a third party. I can facilitate that. That would be 954-588-8075. Let me say that again, 954-588-8075. If you're trying to do the third-party driving test and you're having a problem, if you're having a problem at the DMV finding an appointment, you can call me up and we can arrange for you to take the test at a third party and then pick up your license at the DMV. Okay, that said, let's get into the video. So the DMV examiner will come into your car. Well, before they get into your car, they'll test a certain thing. They'll tell you to do the turn signal. They'll be standing outside to make sure your turn signal lights are working. So they say signal left, so you put on your turn signal to the left. Signal right, you'll do the same, signal right. Blow the horn, so you make sure the horn's working. Press and release your brake. They will not take you out in a car if any of those things are not working. So make sure before you get to the DMV, the car is in proper working order. Everything that they're going to check is working. They're also going to ask you to turn the steering wheel all the way to the left so they can check your left front tire. Turn all the way to the right so they can check your right front tire. When you're done with that, you straighten the wheel. That's Scion once, Scion twice. Now, if your car is a Toyota, a Nissan, a Honda, a Chevy, a Ford, whatever, make sure you can see the logo in upright position 2 times. In the correct upright position 2 times. From extreme left or from extreme right. Alright, so now we're going to, the examiner will get into the car and they'll tell you to reverse and go to the right. So we're going to reverse from here. You got to look back, look around, make sure everything's clear. And then you're going to reverse out of the parking space. And you're going to make sure there's no one behind you. You're looking in every direction here. When your mirror is past the end of the line, the parking lot line like that, then you turn all the way to the left. And you continue reversing. And you make sure you end up on the right side of the road. Put the car in drive, and then you're gonna come to the stop sign here and you're making a left turn. So you signal to the left and you make sure it's clear. You look in both ways. There's a guy going by with this garbage cans on the top of his car. Don't ask me why. Okay, so now we're gonna make a left turn. So you make sure it's clear and then you make a left. We're gonna go to the stop sign at the end of this road here. and we're going to make another left turn. So we're going to make sure we signal. Every time they tell you to signal left, signal right, you make sure you put on your turn signal. They won't tell you to signal, by the way. They'll say make a left, make a right. You put on your turn signal, because if you don't, you will lose 4 points. You'll get 4 negative points. So you stop at the stop sign, and then you creep up to where you can actually see, and then you go to your left. When it's clear, you go to the left. We're going to go down to the stop sign, and we're going to make another left. Now, in the shopping center, or in any shopping center, you want to drive no more than 10 miles per hour. And it's a shopping center. You can't go flying through the parking lot and expect to pass your driving test, right? So we're going to make a left turn. Make sure this is a 4-way stop sign. Make sure you're first there. If you're first there, you go first. If not, you wait your turn. Whoever gets there first goes first, and so on and so on. So we pay attention and we go as we got there. Now we're going to make a right turn. They're going to say make a right turn. You're going to signal to the right. You're going to come to a complete stop here. And then you're going to make a right turn. Okay, so we're going to use different ones than the D, because the DMV is open for business right now. So we're going to park in a different spot, but it's the same thing. So we're going to come down here. We're going to make a right turn. They're going to say make a right. When you make the right turn, they will tell you to stop. So you will stop about here, and then they'll say speed up to 20 and do a sudden stop. So you'll speed up to 20 miles per hour, and then you will stop, sudden stop, like that. Then they'll tell you to reverse in a straight line for about 30 feet. So you look behind you, you look this way, you look that way, you look behind you, and you roll straight back. You make sure you're looking back, and you keep the wheel as straight as possible, and you roll in straight back in your lane. This is crucial. If you end up in the other side of the road, if you end up in the parking lot or on the other side, you are definitely going to fail the test. So you make sure you're looking back and you're rolling back, and you're staying 100% in your lane as you do this, right? Now we're going to go forward, and we're going to do the 3-point turn. So 3-point turn, you want to be closer to the right side. Signal left. Turn the steering wheel all the way to the left. Okay? You're going to roll forward, and you're going to stop before you get into the parking space. Like right there. Put the car in reverse. Turn all the way to the right. Then you're going to look over your left shoulder. Looking both ways again. Make sure there's no cars coming. And then you're going to stop as soon as your mirror is past the middle. You're going to stop. Put the car back in drive. Signal left. Turn all the way left. Okay. And then we're going to go to the stop sign, and we're going to make a left turn. So signal left. Come to the stop sign. Stop completely. And you're going to look both ways. Make sure there's no one coming, and when it's clear, you're gonna pull out, go to your right lane, and we're going to make an immediate left turn so we can park in between the cones. So signal left. You're going to go into the right lane here again. When you make a left, you got to go into your right lane. You're driving the right side at all times. So we're staying in the right lane here. And we're going to wait for these people to get out of their own cones. But yeah, the test is actually quite straightforward. And like I said, I have a lot of videos on the channel, but I make mostly driving test videos because I find the test videos are usually the ones people are interested in. But I have multiple videos on the channel that is not just driving tests. And if you're interested, again, like I said, in any video, any kind of video, if you look on the channel and it's not there, then you just jump into the comments and say, Henry, I checked your channel. I did not find this, that video, whatever video it is. Could you please make this video for me? And I would be so happy to oblige, right? I'll be more than happy to oblige in making the video for you. Yeah, I'll make whatever video you want me to make. It doesn't really matter. If it's doable, I'll do it. And I don't think there's any video I cannot make, right? So just request the video, and then I'll make a video for you. If it's not on the channel. And again, even if it is, if it's buried too far in the channel, I'll probably just make another one just for the heck of it. So just request the videos. Alright, so I'm going to pull down here, and then I'm going to park in between these cones. Again, you're going to go to the right side, and you're going to signal left to park in between the cones. And in most cars, like I say, you will line up your mirror with the cone. In this car, because this car is so short, the steering wheel works, but the mirror works for 99% of the car, right? You line it up, turn all the way to the left, roll into the parking space. As you get to the middle of the space, you will straighten up and pull straight in. It's very, very, very simple. Line up your mirror with the actual poles or the line for the parking space. Then you're gonna, when you reverse straight out. And as soon as your mirror is past the cone, you can turn all the way to the right. And we're going to put it back in drive. We're going to go to the stop sign, and we're going to make a left turn. So we're going to signal to the left and make a left. Again, signal every time, otherwise you will lose 4 points. You don't want to lose points unnecessarily. So you make sure you signal. You come to a complete stop at the stop sign, and then you creep up to where you can actually see. Alright, make a left turn. And we're heading back, and again we're doing about 10 miles per hour. In a shopping center, you really don't need to go faster than that. Alright, so this time we're going to make a left turn, so we come to a complete stop. We're looking both ways. It's a 4-way stop sign there, but over here there is no stop sign. It's a 2-way stop sign. So we're going to make a left turn. And we're going to go into the right lane because we're going to make a right turn at the stop sign. So, signal like that. Come to a complete stop. 1, 2, 3. A right turn to go back to where we started. So we're gonna park here, and the test ends right where it starts. I mean, when they're done with the test, they might not bring you back to this exact area because there might not be any parking spaces here. So they'll take you to wherever they can find parking spaces in the parking lot. So that is the test. That is everything on the test. And I'm gonna ask you guys to subscribe to my other YouTube channel. That would be Exotic Car Culture if you're into cars, Sequence Sound if you're into the music scene, and 4, 8, 12-hour traffic ticket classes on the website accdriverseducation.com. And you can call me for the third-party test, 954-588-8075. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video.